Let me show you how to organize floss. Before organizing, take the thread organizer. Remove the holes on top. This makes organizing easier. Gently press and they pop out. Remove all 14 holes. There are 14 numbers on top. We can check our instructions. There are 11 color codes. Follow the color codes in the instructions to organize them. Let me demonstrate. For example, I have color 842. Find this color code in the instructions. 842 is at position number 5. Place this thread in the organizer at position 5. First, remove the label from the middle. Set it aside, don't throw it away. Open the floss in the middle like this. Find the two ends. Hold both ends in one hand. Place the loop over 4 fingers. Gently pull the thread outward like this. Pull slowly so the floss won't get tangled. Don't pull the thread directly like this, or it will become a mess. When pulling the thread, always go slowly, not too fast. Smooth out the thread to make it neater. Find the end and the beginning. Fold it in half once and smooth it. After folding once, find the ends again, hold them and fold in half a second time. After folding, find the ends again, fold in half a third time. After folding 3 times, it's about 1 meter long. This is the organized floss. Cut this section with scissors. Smooth out the thread again. This is what it looks like after smoothing. Pick up the thread organizer, find position number 5, thread it from the back of hole 5, open the loop with your fingers, pass the thread through the loop and pull up. Pull tight and this thread is organized. Follow this method for the other color threads. Follow the color codes in the instructions, which are on the labels we removed. The color codes here. For example, this says 842. Find the corresponding color code. It's at position 5. So on position 5, write the number 842. This helps us quickly find the corresponding thread on the organizer. Follow the codes in the instructions. Write them all on the organizer. When writing, follow the order in the instructions to arrange and organize them. If you don't follow the instruction codes to organize them, you might have trouble during embroidery finding the corresponding thread. This is what it looks like when finished. This makes it convenient during embroidery to quickly find the corresponding color. This is how to organize floss.